Your love makes me strong, your hate makes me unstoppable. Dream are not what you see in your sleep, dream are things which do not let you sleep. I will not quit. I am not a perfectionist, but I like to feel that things are done well. I never try to hide the fact that my only goal is to be the best. Maybe they hate me because I am too good. I think I have improved from last year. I am always trying to improve my game and improve myself. While I am not going to be a hypocritic and say the opposite of what I think like some other do. Don't let small obstacles be in the way of being victories. Remember, you are stronger than the challenges you face. I am living a dream I never want to wake up from. If you think you are perfect already, then you never will be. I don't have to show anything to anyone. There is nothing to prove. Today there are opportunities that no one knows if they will come round again in the future. There is no harm in dreaming of becoming the world's best player. It is all about trying to be the best. I will keep working hard to achieve it, but it is within my capabilities. I still learn. For me, Sir Alex was my father in the football. He was crucial in my career and outside of football was a great human being with me. Talent is not everything. You can have it from the cradles, but it is necessary to learn the trade to be the best. It gives me the happiest feeling in the world. I just love scoring. It does not matter if it is a simple goal from a close range, a long shot or dribble around several players. I just love to score all goals. I like to impose my own style of play. I want to be remembered as a part of the group of the greatest player ever. When you have a talent and if you don't work the talent, then you are not going to win nothing. If we can't help our family, who are we going to help? To me, being the best means proving it in different countries and championships. I am proud to play for Real Madrid because I have fun. When you no longer have fun, it is sign that it is time to leave. For now, though, I am happy here at the greatest club in the world. When I win awards, I think of my father. Winning, that is the most important to me. It is as simple as that. Without football, my life is worth nothing. I want to consistently play well and win titles. I have my flaws too. I think it is the best thing in life to have a kid. Stay strong, be brave, go beyond. People have to understand one thing. At the age of 18, I arrived at a dream club like Manchester United. It was a dream come true, but even at the moment I was thinking about playing in England for some year and then going to play in Spain. Even at the time I was thinking that way that I was thinking gives 100% everything. I know I am good professions. I know that no one harder on me than myself, and that's never going to change under any circumstances. We can help others. We can all help. We cannot live being obsessed with that other people think about us. We don't want to tell our dream. We want to show them.